Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and today I have an unboxing and review of the Keychron K6 mechanical keyboard. Let's go check it out. Okay, here we go. Let's open it up now. Okay, here we have the, I guess there's a quick start guide right here. Okay. The key puller, the key switches. I went with the red. There's also blue and brown, but I went with the red because I decided to try that out. Okay, over here. These are the additional keys in case you want to switch the keyboard from PC to Mac. There is a Mac specific key and PC specific key, so it's compatible with both PC and Mac. USB to USB-C cable. This is the key puller. This keyboard is hot swappable, so these switches here, if I don't like them, I could pull them out and switch it to other type of switches. So change the feel of the keyboard very easily. Hot swappable. Okay, switch. Okay, let's open this up here, and here we have the owner's manual, I guess. Yeah, owner's manual telling you what key to switch to go to Mac. Okay, and the keyboard itself. So let's take a look. Got that new keyboard smell. Okay. That feels really good. So this is the aluminum version. It's available in ABS plastic or aluminum. I went for the top of the line. It's got everything. So it's got hot swappable key switches, aluminum. It's Bluetooth. It comes with a 4,000 milliamp battery, so it will last a full week. And it's also RGB lighting. So there's a profile. Also comes with 2 levels of adjustment. So you got these legs, which will raise it up just a little bit. And if you want to raise it up to 9 degrees, you put up the second leg, and that will increase it to 9 degrees. So, yeah. And I can see it is already set up for Mac. So if you want to set up for PC, you just hit each key and you switch the command key and the option key for Windows key and the other L key, I guess. To set up the K6 for your computer is very simple. There are a couple of switches here on the side. If you take a look at it right here, the first one here is to whether you want to use the cable or Bluetooth or off. So this switch here is toggle between cable, off, and Bluetooth. So there's a Bluetooth light. So if you want just cable, just use that. And this button here is basically Macintosh or Windows. And that basically, if you have Mac, slide it this way. You have a Windows, slide it that way, and then change the appropriate keys, and you're ready to go. So let's plug it in to my Mac and test it out. Ooh, look at the fancy RGB lighting. To change the RGB lighting, this little button here with the lamp on it, just push it and it will cycle through all the different color modes. So that's no lights. Nice. Oh, cool. Now there's a lot of different lightings here. Yeah, okay, so it just cycles through the whole thing. This K6 is hot swappable, so that means I can easily just pop over a key, and you can see my red switches. And if I want to switch it one day, I just use this thing and I can pull it out and swap it with a different color switch. Okay, let's try a typing test and let you listen to the sound of these keys. The Keychron K6 is what's known as a 65% keyboard. So a full keyboard, has the keyboard, the function keys, and the number pads and stuff. That's a full keyboard. 65% means that it's 65% of that size. It doesn't have the full 104 keys, or whatever it has. 65%. So some of the keys, in this case, 65% means that you get most of the keys that you use, plus the arrow keys. Okay? And it's like I had this other one that's a 60%. It's 60%. You're missing the arrow keys, and I like the arrow keys. And for the other stuff, like the function keys, like these function keys here, what you do is for the Mac anyway, you just hit the function key, hit F1, and then it activates the function key. That becomes F1 to 9. So, and it's also a second row of function keys as well too. So you have all the usability of a full keyboard, but in much more compact shape. So doesn't take as much desk space, and you can take it with you as well. I mean, it's quite portable. Packs it all away. Yeah. The K6 started off as a Kickstarter project, but now it is available at the Keychron website or Amazon. I'll have a link below if you want to pick one up. Overall, I really do like it. Pricing is one of its key advantages. This keyboard, I would expect to pay a lot more money for, but it's available for as low as $69. $69 if you don't want the hot swap version and just the white backlit. If you want the full top of line model like this unit with the hot swap and the RGB lighting, is $89 bucks. And $89 comes with a 4,000 milliamp battery that will last a good week. Bluetooth compatible, or Bluetooth or a cable, so up to you. And it's really solid. The bracket is metal, but the bottom is plastic. But you won't be flexing it. But yeah, this has become my my new favorite keyboard. I like the compact shape. I love the 65% keyboard. It's a perfect size. It's what I love. Keeps my desktop nice and clean. And yeah. So once again, $89 or $69 for the non-RGB one. Looking for a great mechanical keyboard that feels great. Hot-swappable keys, so if I decide one day I don't like these switches, I can switch them out and put in other switches that has different feels, different clicks, etc. So yeah, my new favorite keyboard. And like I said, links to get the Keychron K6 below this video. JohnShelf.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time.